Good afternoon, country people. Then we glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. Now chapter 2 for Tori we don't enter so for this side. Inside Tori for this afternoon, country people them we go take una we enter from Buddha. We talk palavas on Tifman where it dey so it don't the worry people them plenty for inside town where it dey so na big commander adjutant chef for that side so from Buddha them near office where they call him say La Ele Sebastian. He don't put hand on top the Tifman. As so the talk investigate it dey for on top that palavas so from Buddha na accident way happen with some gongoro way catch fire. Some boy wey eat the give bread for outside the fire e burn it all. Now for that side so from Buddha where this one e pass. Tori 2 for this afternoon as so I be promised we go turn back for palava for picking the way they don't turn back for school. Sabi say for inside Mongo division we be pass for Penja, we pass for Loom, we go from Bangam, we go to for other places them like Suza, we will try for check as we school. He enter for that side according to Tori we enter we here. Security all corner for look at the picking them. Sabi say plenty of the people there they run come up for Norway and Southwest. The day now for inside Mongo division we go talk that palava in the proper they will turn back for talk as we picking themselves they be here bad. I say picking them here bad for Sika palava waiting. Palava say they get for turn back for school for inside Douala for inside number 2 day for inside number 9 moon. All this story them so we go finish them with a palava for inside the Norwest and Southwest. Sabi say school seseb e be textile e enter place them like Donga Mountain school e enter so te time no be there. Sabi say na them take number 1 if they get for give a prize for first day for school for inside Norwest. All this story them plus other one we go bring them for inside Tori for this afternoon. Big part talk e the talk for we say lie e no get a food, lie e no get food, so e must to get another lie for a bag for say make the thing is sweet for person in ear. I say you wey the talk pom e no get food, so you must to put another pom for back before the thing e go sweet for different person in ear. Big part talk e comot na for Beno Nga wey the shidon for Brazzaville inside Douala no be na Congo. I dey turn back small time. Big good afternoon for outside the country people them. As soon as Sabi we dey na for give na sweet Tori dey pass. Chapter for this afternoon na for West region we start. Palava for inside quarter country people them. Inside place where they call am say West region Mbuda wey we land na some gongoro wey e catch fire. Balok din gongoro wey be the catch fire. Some Okada man wey eat the give bread for early morning time. For Emmanuel Macron country talk, they go call am say livreur. Now so they call am no, Manadin livreur. Now I don't talk French, so you understand? The Okada boy wey dey so he give bread for early morning time. He go jam with the dingongoro. He burn all for inside. Yes, he burn all his skin. He burn. Ask me say how the accident money happen. You go ask me, I go talk for who side. The young boy so wey he give that bread for early morning time. He get na 25 years. He dey give bread for early morning time. Population only can wake up. All man don't turn na Android. See, now the bread and that we get for go gear. He no last go give the bread. He jam with that motor. You understand? He jam with that motor. See bread where people they can't pick up for early morning time. Where if you want go give bread where the accident happen with motor, he be the catch fire so country people them. So the 25-year-old boy just now as well the talk. He name na for past tense they call am. I say in name na for past tense. Now so population come turn for see whether they go lost all that fire, lost am. They turn lost am, but that boy he burn all inside the fire. So country people them where he no be there at all. Manadin as so na the see am. Now so two people then say for inside Buddha. They see the thing as so motor burn. No be na people they put fire for that motor. No be na people. The motor say start burn. So make people that not talk say they put motor they struggle for find that boy die body. Now the Okada all thing he born for inside that motor when no be there at all. Country people them. As well that Okada born or all thing he come up for outside. See Okada now that kind of heat where even devil says we go run am for hell. Now we catch am. See say matricule number nowhere is 206. The motor just can burn, so that boy too with the bread. Whoa, he can't enter for day. He no be there at all at all. So the boy, 25-year-old, where he did do his own work early morning time na for give bread. Now for this way life he take end. Okada he born, ESSF he born. They no come out one part for his skin for sake of this accident where he pass for place where they call him same Buddha. The motor too, whether na wetin happen, where he start cast fire. No person he never feel for talk. The only hear na boom, where motor don't start burn. Person too, where they carry bread give for people them from Buddha. He too, he don't enter for inside that fire. So now just so this arrangement, so he pass for place where they call him same Buddha. Now for West region, as well people then too, they use their tiny they take them. You see them? Now the back bread that where be get for go give for population. All man he turn up, so all thing he do people them. Where no be day. Cry, he pass people there. I say cry, pass people there. All man he turn up, so he say where see Okada born all. I say we need to cry the bread say if you go. Okada and person wey dey on top Okada, all them. The man the only they go look bread. They go look bread. Where person there for inside fire the burn go. Person there for inside fire the burn go. Then you only go pick na bread. If they pick the bread, you go chop. You go comot that man for inside fire. You go comot am. Man Nadine, man no over talk on top the palaver because you think they vex me. It vex me on top the arrangement. Inside Buddha, since we dey cry, na so people then too dey glad. Sabi say even for hospital. When you enter hospital, some side they dey cry, some side they dey glad. New pikin. Now so the life to you. Some side they dey cry from Buddha, another end from Buddha. People they dey glad. Jolie, e dey for you. I say they dey glad for the mind. The one inside Buddha, as soon as they say I'm see per the man, they don't put a small bullet for a footing of waka. The man be don't worry people them for inside Buddha. So the time no day he get 45 years. See as well the holy. Now commandant adjutant chef Laile Sebastian. And the lamboy them, the padman don't the worry in Buddha. Die foot so. Man at the more for that if you may put the no see that what blood will come off for a foot so. Now the man that he don't the worry people them from Buddha so the time no day. Now anyway, adjutant chef for that side, Laile Sebastian and the lamboy them for near. They put it trap. Put and trap so the last. Padman in last 4. The man in the enter for house, a thief. He get a PhD. As when they go people they so naki. As when they go they naki they say the man you own done too much. You own done too much. Last they don't catch you. I say population one just finish with you one time. Enter for house a thief. Keep the one a thief. When you pass with the ring they disappear for your hand. When the man pass for your corner. How it take comota? People they no sabi at all. So even population from Buddha, even time when you then cash and put am for moto, they talk say they no go levy. Now slapping this, boom, 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 boom. They say I own done too much. Whether na which kind of school where you go learn get PhD for thief, man no sabi. He own thief, he bad. See say they knock him. Say I own done too much. He done too much. We will do what we will done too much. Population enter for the moto. He thought say that man he own done too much. Massa over thief. Something you say bitana. It doesn't more no try the thing. More no continue for knock again. Palava for thief inside Buddha. Una come good from Buddha. Now the man that. He don't worry people them. But we hear say he don't help me them big man, adjutant chef for that side Laile Sebastian too for help for cash he come be them. 45-year-old man. We don't the worry people them from Buddha. Last, they don't put hand for his skin. Now just so the team pass on Buddha chapter for thief and insecurity. Lock mop. I say lock mop country people them. Who talk say wait to know the pass for country. All kind of thing we want see. It pass. Naka again. Obona naka. But when he come out, he go find on her face. So as soon as the naki, so you don't see on her face. If he come out again, una go washan. Thief, he go na different level. More na naka. As soon as the naka, me the use the eye, he take photo. When he come out, he say, now you be knock me that day they put me for bang moto no. Take him there. Now so you go to do now. Country people there. Well, he dey from Ngata just now. After they go Georgie, they go surely carry go for different side. I don't talk say he don't talk he come be there. So they don't cash it. See how they pull human being wey owner for the worry people. The man adin make we left that chapter 2 for side from Buddha. We take una enter for the Bombari just now. palava wey they don't bury person for inside house, they say make they dig that die body, comot am back. Big trouble for the bombari. Big ndongamen. They don't bury some man, e don't taste small. Now every population don't talk say that thing where that person do for come carry a man where he don't die, bury him for house. They say no way, we will no day. So as well the Bombari Council people them she done for that side for talk on top the palava. Now for they two way they bring this idea, bring the talk where some family the person die. Instead for say they bury him for burial ground, they go dig now for inside compound. Yes, now the part that where they say he die. Instead for bury, they go dig now burial ground for inside compound, inside house, they bury him. So people that for the Bombari, they talk say no, they say they must to dig that die body back. Now that. Now the die body that they say they bury him for somewhere they no be supposed to bury him. So they say they must to dig the die body. So states council, even mayor and chief them, all them be there for talk this palava way. They go bury die body instead for take and go for burial ground. Land where they go bury him, no be na land where they get for burial. So they don't talk say they must to dig that die body back, comot am, go keep am for side way they get for burial. Now for sick wider way, pay them so. Sabi say the pay them achieve them for quarter. They she done. Even big man says it be day for say me they look on top the palava and for start check sense how they get for dig that body. Now they book that where they say and so for corner where it make ndongamen happen. They ask and say why they get for dig that body, why they get for commode that body. Make we hear wait chief for that side. He talk for Jackie Nomolo.
People for village them they don't want respect tradition. Our tradition is they say if someone don't die for village, they go bury in for Benegron. So this young boy don't die for ya. Their family don't decide that they bury in for us. But the tradition not the permit to bury for us. So we see council say they can't look out for the problem. It's all me say any man will die, they bury for Benegron. You know you want if you want bury for us, you must be an elders.
Now, chief, that for inside the place where the column said the Bombari way talk for Jackie Nomulum. We know be end for day. We'll be here waiting to a brother, one of the family people them for the side where the palava day. He try for talk to for we. Will not be one turn up take this side, take side. Maybe we here wait to a family person to talk.
We big brother don't die. He don't bury for land for family. And then mayor the talk say you know I have right to bury for land for family. We not the one fight with some people. We want peace. We not one fight with anybody.
Yes, they no one fight, they want a peace. But waiting wait person to wait dish done for inside the Bombari site. He try for talk for we. We go get some more plenty explain on top this palaver as we talk to for Jackie Nomolo.
Problem is say people they get for respect law. Law they provide, Cameroon law they provide say when if some man die, they go bury the body for ben ground, not before house, not before compound. If you want to do so, council must authorize you, give you right, say okay, you feel ben and for there. If you don't build proper ben ground, that proper ben ground must make say water from thy body not enter the water where they drink people they drink from wells. So what you will get for do today is for tell people say if it's a man go do that same thing, he go face problems. Council go come and next time they get for pay money for carry the corpse and go bury them for ben ground.
Yes, we close a chapter for palava for die body where they get for digam if they no respect commander for inside the Bombari Council. But we left that side, we talk with chapter now so for turn back for school, country people them. We go turn for inside Mongo division, country people them, Sabise school. It turn back in the normal for Mongo, but now the thing the way we make school turn back for Mongo, it be special. All the school they will work go there, whether not for Suza, for Banga, for Penja, or even for Loom, all corner will be meet up near them where they be they prepare for say any man where Iwan can disturb place. Now so to the go show and pepper. Suzawo land, even for Penja side, for Loom, and even for a side way they call them say Bangam, picking them, they be answer present plenty. Sabi say this security for inside school country people them, it be day. Now for Sika waiting, for Sika say it dey so palava people the way they run common or west, they dey plenty for inside Mongo division. Now for Sika why that way after a normal morning stand up for assembly where it finish, all man it be talking and say make all people then concentrate on top them book. So inside we walk away, we make them whether not for Grand Suza for that government school or whether not for who side, all the school picking them, they be glad for enter for school for number 1 day, but one of the BBT in them, it be then a palava for security. So near they be there for all corner, uniform people them, where they prepare, say any man way one can worry place, they go finish them. Big boy them too for inside the town, whether not they deal them, all them, they be there for talk, say make picking them concentrate for book and make the talk for them say all thing e dey kampe. Make we hear way some teacher a talk for Jackie Nomolo.
We don't talk for all students where they come from northwest and southwest, say maybe they don't feel frustrated, say they live for here, they don't come meet up Francophone for long year, maybe they be like brothers. We don't talk for all Francophone, say they receive the engineer brothers, maybe they don't marginalize them, maybe they be together and they work together, they share everything together. They should be, in fact, they are brothers.
We go here now, wait till we papa and mommy them too, they be go left them picking them for school, they get for talk for we inside this palava for turn back for school for Mongo division.
Inside town for Loom, all things they work are fine. So we don't start for all places because police, gendarme, military, all the day for worker for medicine picking the enter fine for school. And as a sous-prefect, commandant, brigade, gendarme, police, then they for controller for medicine, peace being, return the free. A better thing, how a government, they don't take all that decision.
Me, I see the panting, how we army the turn because now so we security, fancy they must make security for picking them. But if I say government try to solve the problem because the problem therefore affect all people. All school don't flop because Anglophone crisis. No, if I say government must try to see, we beg saying they must try to see how in the field make to fix the problem, make it end.
For here, I did just struggle for see how I go do because we not really there we.
Where are you coming?
I'm from Boya. From Boya. Yes. So life for that side is over stuff. So I can't for here for find a mission.
Yes, country people them, not just so we see that side so for Loom. Sabi say for inside the Yawende too. Oga governor, where they call it, Nasiri Paul Beya, it be take time for Wakatu for school them, for number 1 day for school. For that side for Itugebe, Sabi say na school where plenty people them, that they ever come, it be then a time for teacher them to for talk for picking them. For Sabi say they get for buy them textbook. Sabi say this school for Itugebe, na place where plenty of the picking the way they run, come up for that side, so for Norwest Southwest, they day for insights, and also to the big woman, the head teacher, or the plea madam, for government high school for Itugebe, they don't talk, say they dis also take register, they dis also take picking them for Form 1. Now for Sikawa that way they don't build new classroom too, for say make this picking the way they come, they no go get problem. But Sabi say if be dey population be dey plenty. Governor say he don't talk, say he can't turn. Now for see as waiting they happen. For nursery school, government English nursery school Itugebe too, we meet up. Now so class the way they flop, and plenty of the people there they flop inside that class. Now people don't know west. Now extra class them this way they build them, make them for say make the divide they speaking them so that they no go tight like a sardine for inside one class. So governor he be waka, he give all commander them for how they get for lookout. Even the people there they don't run camp for Sika Palava for Norway and Southwest. Now the thing that way they so all teacher them too they take time for start for do better teaching. Picking the girl for put them head for book. Now so to the talk, come good. Oga governor, Nasiri Paul Beya for inside Center region. For place where they call them say government bilingual high school Yawende. We miss also meet up. Now mommy them and papa them, uncle, auntie them, sister, brother, where they also register. Even from full where governor go. Now the same thing where we meet up and for tell we say this so school. It don't start fine for that side. So for Center region, no man, it no left for back. inside Douala here, apart from say we turn for chapter for say make school, he turn back for Douala. We be waka too for night. Sabi say some school them dey with them own time. Now for night so they di waka. Now so too I be turn me for night for check sense. Whether true, this school them too where they di teach picking them for night. Them two, them enter for number 1 day, yes. And plenty of the picking them, now picking their way sometimes, then some them, now one day they help people them for house. So one day they now work people them when they only for night. They get time for go learn book, for write exam so that they fit pass. So be turn for inside school them too, for Douala side them, school the way they teach for night, for see as we picking them come and true. Number 1 day for inside plenty of this school there will be turn around. It show we say picking them they enter as well some one day say they this also continue for register on top this palava. So as well school it turn back for inside number 2 day, number 9 moon for 2019. We left chapter for Douala just now country people them. We go take una, we talk this other palavas. Sabi say plenty picking them. We be show another image from Mabanda. We picking the tombusa for inside water. They enter for water. We be meet up with some mami. He try for talk the talk for we. He talk for Cheromanus.
They don't really pass our power. We from Mabanda here. We the oversuffer palava this road. And the road them it deep, go very inside. Maybe not even light water. They pothole them deep. The water float everywhere in water. The only pothole this. Everyone meter you want make a pothole. Everyone meter you want make a pothole. Only for enter lift picking inside here, I be forced to pay 500 francs. And still yet I go down and walk out foot. Okada carry na only picking because my weight plus picking and the pothole them be very deep. We don't tire for this situation. Picking and the suffer. We pay a big government school way there for down here. We never imagine say see Broadway leads to government school. Big government school of that of a type. The whole Mabanda the canal for here. You know if you imagine road no day. The pothole them be too deep for a way. Me say almost fall for water. I be forced to go down. See how Okada when he enter, Okada the lost all inside water. So don't tire. Me government try do something concerning this road. Me government try even now for first feel and for the moment then before they see how they feel Kotaram. We don't over tire. Picking them the work on an empty foot inside water. They push you aside. Picking the car will shoot for morning time. Picking one reach for school. Picking on wait all. Imagine for one picking but the stress, all the stress for reach school, not easy. I beg government. The government try see how if it do for solve this palava for road. We don't tire for Mabanda, we don't tire for Lycée, we don't tire for this particular road. Government I bet yeah we cry.
Na palava from governor for really here say una the cry, say una the suffer. Palava for road for inside country we sabi say for side for center town for Yaoundé whole the day. They put new quota for on top roads for center town, but village or even for town. Road them get big complaint. Make we here wait into some Okada man, he talk for we.
On the road. And the road they so from here to market, from Lycée to market, all the road on spoil. You know if for even to a grand day, we say me cover the whole them. We no day. Okay, picking the 4 points of water, we go to go school, work empty food. We okay put them we suffer who one level for school. When people work, when people feel succeed for region for school, we try answer water too, or we fall for water we picking them in school picking them. We no correct. We no correct for the country. Because this place they be told to a grand day for feed the whole. Make students they feed fine to the up for them. May no abandon on side. Let's say these students, this school carry plenty students and to carry plenty students at Lycée. I beg me government carry look for a matter for the road. Make carry so the picking the people away they put inside the quarter. Make they sorry they make they arrange road. Even a pave they make they put and they make they picking the manage.
Palava for manage inside we country or we na manager them. Just now, make we take una to talk inside Douala here country people them. When you pass na from Dogbon, then you take your woman hand, you dey go down. I say you pass on Dogbon, your man hand na general hospital you dey go. For your woman hand na Makepe side. Make we take una to pass for that road. That road it give problem for people them. Picking the way they get for go school they suffer. Yes, that road from Makepe. Yesterday for some time, the road between a lock mop. Mami them, they only drag pikin. Even one day they do on top Okada, we no day. On top that one, rain too is show power for inside Douala. All the pikin they saw the line, they wait na moto Okada sesep. But all as well the talk so enter back for the road for that side for Makepe. If you the commander for that side for Petit Pays side, the enter na enter. But you pass on Dobon, na your woman hand, you go down. Nye dem okay too. They be there for make control. But other one, you know, be so me know nothing. Now Ngongo road than that or Caterpillar where they turn up for say the fixed road. But even that one, you know, be show no nothing. As way people them. I say people then suffer on top road yesterday for morning time. I saw the talk so Congo side the talk say that Bowo side they don't already full up am. But when you pass this side you go for back. Now the same problem for Sika Rain and for Sika Wowo road. Traffic all corner on top the same palava. Plenty picking the way they do so they no be fit for enter them class. Now thing that they don't put and say they destroy am. Plenty picking them for Sika the rain and waiting traffic will be day for inside that road for Makepe. Plenty they no be fit for enter class. They want reach gateway they don't lock gate. They say una don't come late. When I don't come late, una they can't do it. But make they no forget say them before. Road, Iwowo, on top that now they picking them that. When no they no fit enter. All side of traffic picking them, they turn up. Now just the thing that with the year say they don't fix this side for the road. We go surely go turn for the we come back with them tomorrow. But after the place, the road is also the Wowo. Man, they will go take na small for that no comment for Makepe. Then you turn back for we. Now just small that as we picking them suffer for enter for road yesterday just now. We go take una go for a Kondo Titi side quick for talk say they so they be there more than 200 picking the way they be come out for that side from Kondo Titi. As we they so honorable Njume where he go for a Kondo Titi when honorable for Adikome Balwe and a Kondo Titi side. He go for go give books them. For this picking them say me they turn back for school. Sabi say Kondo Titi na town self for Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute. He says he be na chief for that side so for a Kondo Titi con the people them. So he be then for a town where they so they be try for give small book them and back them for school picking them for say me they see as where they go for school. This one na help where they be the help mommy them where they cry say poor it do them for sicker problem where we get them for inside we country. Honorable Njume he be talk for Derek Jato in microphone.
He be na day we will be try for CC. We encourage the picking them for go for school, and with the beg, we be send message for parents them, and parents they don't hear the message. They come today in their numbers. You say if you don't carry eye, you see them. More than 2,000 picking they come out for can receive materials for we hand, and we thank God. Say they be hear this call and they come, and for me, the one show say. Picking they really want to go for school, and their parents too they really want for say they're picking them for school. So we pray now say make all we beg God make peace be so I made it picking the learn book fine and make they get a future where God will keep them for them. We go back again. We put our hand for pocket. We go buy some more exercise books. We buy some more school bags. We buy some more school materials. We go can't give them because. I think say nothing we will get for do for encourage them to go for school. So we go see come back.
And another side for inside the southwest now for Fako East, honorable too for Fako East for that side so for Tico they call in a Frix Etokem. It too now for inside Tico Council Hall or Tico Adio Hall. Now for day where it is so it gather mommy and picking them where they get for go school for that side so for Tico honorable Frix Etokem. It be divide now book them for picking them and even back them for picking them for help mommy them for say may they try for see. as well they go send them picking them back for number 1 day for school wey be pass on Monday. Sabi say the one if they come to a mommy them too, they get na the same cry for that side. So for inside Tiko, Palava say waiting. School e dey bet they no get money, all thing it wrong, poor. E the whole all them on top that chapter. Now we Honorable Freaks a token for Fako East. E take help. Palava for book for go giam talk say picking them their right now for learn book they no get for deny them say me they no learn book. Maybe if man Nadingo left we make we just see face for Limbe this afternoon. Sabi say Limbe as all the talk this afternoon all place he never so come back to normal. Country people them na fresh image them that way they come up for that side for Limbe. We don't turn for the whole Limbe town this afternoon for try for see whether life it don't turn back. At least one Okada them we meet up them for road people them they work up. But Sabi say they deny Tory people them say me they no even go corner any school for say they want female. Sabi say that one na part for security too for inside town with the column say Limbe so country people them. So on top this arrangement now we will try for talk say Limbe it don't wake up fine this morning time place it quiet all the place they will try for turn for inside Limbe it shows say life it don't turn back small after we yesterday all place it be quiet. If you go Kumba maybe we go Kumba too. We just talk say Kumba just like yesterday. Today we meet up na quiet Kumba. Even as we one people them they last come out, but plenty road them, quarter road them where they ever they busy, they be they quiet. All people them they so she down for inside them house for that side so for Kumba as soon as see for that image. Last chapter, we go just talk from Bonge, Sabi say for side from Bonge, D.O. Befolo search Alain, itself, it don't try for bring picking them for one place, for try for talk for them. Palava way they so picking them, they get for go back for school. So for Sika that one, it be make some more competition we finish. Inside this week we just finish and even for that side so the talk plenty of the youth them they talk say they prepare for turn back for school. Now for that side so from Bonge subdivision for Sawes so the Obefolo search Ale he gather young boy them and even uniform people them all them they be get them colors where they get for Chapier Sideways school compound them for see as we picking them say they get for go school as we sabi Bonge to Edena for under Sawes where they hear hot for Sika Palava for Norwest and Southwest. For Sika plenty time, we no go fit for turn for talk Tory the way the day outside for inside newspaper country people them. As so the talk, now so we finish Tory for this afternoon. We want a big send big salute for people them with the day with fan club for PNEU for side for Bonaberry and even for side with the column for this side Nadine where he help with a meeting the worker fine. I want to say thank you too for Marlies and even Ledupone way day for make and say make una the see me for una tele them for different side una they look me. I go turn back for some time with all that to read them. Una hold am tight for outside.